Okay, I just saw a question that asked, how could you make your own personal vignettes that you could just have and apply to any picture you want? So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So this is the picture that we're going to use. I'm going to, let's make a new layer. First of all, I want it to be the same size as this. So what I'm going to do is select all, and then I'm going to go to new layer, and then I'm going to fill that layer with black or whatever color you want. You could do black or white or whatever. Next, I'm going to go to my elliptical marquee tool, turn up the feather, and then go like this. Try to make a nice balanced vignette over it. And then I'm just gonna hit the mask key. Now it has a mask right here, so it's inverted. So all you wanna do now is just press Command and I, or Control and I if you use a Windows computer. And there's your vignette. So if you want it to be even softer, you would then just go back to this and turn the feather up even higher. The feather is what controls the harshness of the circle. See, like if it's a 0 on the feather, then it'll be a very harsh cut. Okay, and that's how you do that. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Appreciate y'all watching as usual. Peace out.